My name's Jonathan Magan. I'm a commercial practice leader with USI Insurance Services here in Charlotte. This is a quick note to give you an update regarding your workers' compensation insurance. The NCCI, the National Council of Compensation Insurance, the body that governs workers' compensation, has issued a ruling. They've approved a new class code, 0012. This class code will embrace idle workers that are out of work but still on payroll due to the COVID-19 pandemic. This should be welcomed relief for you and for many of our clients. The window of opportunity is policies in effect from March 11th until June 30th, so we have a tight window to take advantage of this. In addition, it should be noted that you have to document and specifically separate that payroll and be able to document that to your auditor at the appropriate time. If you have any questions about this or need assistance in the documentation or templates to do this, please reach out to me or anyone on your service team at USI. Thank you. Stay vigilant in your social distancing efforts, and together we'll all get through this. Be safe.